Right here, Mansory Series 2 Cullinan. As you can see, the car has a cobalt blue interior, so we have cobalt blue everywhere. Spirit of Ecstasy is cobalt blue. Rolls Royce emblems are black with cobalt blue. The grille in the front was all chrome. All this stuff was chrome. We painted it all black, and then we did the insides in cobalt blue. We didn't stop there. Mansory bumper is crazy. It has all these grills that come with it. Guess what? We made all of the insides of them blue as well. The Mansory kit comes with lighting everywhere. As you can see, it has the daytime lights that match the top of the Rolls Royce lights. And then it has lights everywhere else inside the grills. Light here, here. All the grills have lights on top of them. We had to install that, do all the wiring. Really nice. As you guys know, the Cullinan kits come with full fender replacements as well. We also have this top carbon fiber deck right here that goes with the carbon fiber vented hood. Really nice. We come over to the fender, and now the Mansory kit used to have a small flare just painted to the body color. Now it has a little bit of a bigger flare with carbon fiber also that attaches to it. So now you have all this carbon on the sides. You got the carbon triple like vent right here. Light up Mansory, really nice light up Mansory logo right there. Obviously the RR in cobalt blue. More carbon down here. Your hand could go through this thing right here, so it's functional, pretty cool right there. Blue pinstripe, hand painted. We had the pinstripe specialist come in, do that cobalt blue pinstripe. Another new part from Mansory is this entire door panel right here. If you guys know, the Cullinan comes with moldings that go here, and those moldings are like a little bit out of place. So Mansory came up with these door panels. We left a little carbon exposed right there. All the side skirts, you see carbon. Window moldings, door handles, door lock, all painted black because they were chrome. So this all had to be blacked out. We have the D-pillar carbon fiber right here from Mansory. Looks incredible. We have that really nice roof spoiler carbon again, obviously. Deck lid spoiler in carbon. And as you can see, it has this dual vent right here, so you can go through it. Really cool stuff right there. Mansory trunk trim in carbon that lights up. This thing is very bright even during the day, so at night it's gonna be like in your face when you're behind this car. So really cool to see that there. This entire rear bumper comes in carbon, but we painted some parts of it. We didn't want to leave it full exposed carbon. We did leave the upper molding in carbon and the lower diffuser in carbon, as well as these louvers on the sides. Center exhaust from Mansory, pretty cool because it comes with their full exhaust system, and it's actually a really good system. You got the dual tips right there, center exhaust. And then all the Mansory logos come black and chrome. We made them blue, cobalt blue, to match obviously the interior. Really cool stuff. And obviously, same thing on this side. But here's another cool thing. You guys see this? These are actually 26-inch custom wheels right here. Mansory makes 24s, but went ahead, did 26-inch because it does fill up the gap on the Cullinans better. 30 series tires, not 25 series tires, still a thick tire. And look at this fitment. I mean, my finger doesn't fit there right now. This is in low mode. The wheels are in a custom smoked brushed finish, not just gloss black. We want it to be a little different. So that came out really, really nice. And then look at this interior. All cobalt blue. Brand new car. Our good buddies at TBTFW probably have the car sold already. If not, you can contact them because this is the baddest Cullinan I have ever seen. It looks insane. Let us know your thoughts. Tempest Gray, Cobalt Blue, Mansory, Cullinan Series 2.
We have a Range Rover here. This is a newer Range Rover. I don't know what's happening with these Range Rovers, but I don't know if it's a defect with these things, leaking coolant. They all have coolant leak problems lately. This is the third one we've done in like the last 2 months, I think. So I don't understand. Something's going on. I don't know what's going on with these things, but they have really faulty hoses and lines and stuff. So Daniel's gonna go ahead and get that hose out so we can match it. Get the exact hose from the dealer. Put it together. Not too much work. It's just that it's very annoying to have to replace something when it's 30,000 miles only. So, yeah. Daniel can sleep here too. Daniel fits inside the hood.
It's warm.
Yeah.
Another hot day in Los Angeles, and we have this. This is the fourth 1016 Industries wide body Cullinan Series 2 we're doing. Number 4. And we have a Mansory Cullinan we just finished up. So we did 5 wide body Cullinans in the last like 2 months, so kind of crazy. This thing is gonna be a little bit different. We've already done regular white, we've done a black, we've done a Tempest Gray, and now this one was actually originally a black car, but we are wrapping it in satin pearl white. We wanna pretty much go almost full satin pearl white, except for probably these slats. We're gonna keep these slats chrome, kind of like the black badge, but we're gonna do everything else satin pearl white, including all the moldings. The wheels are gonna be crazy too, 26-inch RDB wheels. We're gonna do something a little fun with that, just to like make it different. I'm excited for it. Belongs to a good friend of ours that we just did the SF90 for. We're gonna be doing a wide body Rivolto for him. The cool part about this car is, if you look at the pillars, the A pillars of this car inside, they are white. This car has a full white headliner, which is really rare, especially on the new Cullinans. It has a white with black and red. It's like a trio of colors inside. Really, really nice colorway. So I might do something red on the outside, we'll see. More wrap coming, and then we're gonna start doing the body kit and the wrap on obviously the body kit as well to put it on, all that stuff. So stay tuned for another Cullinan banger.
Car's right there, bro. He's fucked up. He fucked me over, bro.
Not my employees, my friend.
Instead of making money, you made me lose money today, bro. That's what's coming up, and we're gonna do good this year. No more.
Actually, not my friend. He's my brother.
No more parlays.
No more parlays, Moses?
No more parlays, straight bets.
Lines.
Straight bets, wow.
Yeah. So if we lost 20 grand last year, we're gonna lose 50 this year.
Yes.
All right.
You gotta break even this year.
I gotta eat my taco, bro. Hurry up.
All right, hurry up.
You gotta come back. I get you a fresh taco. Sorry, Taco Bell chicken.
Oh, I can't take that then.
Chicken chalupa supreme
want it.
with hot sauce.
I don't want it. That means I'm not gonna come back. I can't. If I take it, then I'm being committed. I
Yes,
can't.
you gotta commit.
Committed.
You gotta be committed to it. Look how delicious it is. All right, it's all yours.
I'll see you later. I'll try.
All right, we just finished painting the wheels, ladies and gentlemen. Came out really, really nice. This car is a very, very big rush for a very, very important client that needs the car by Sunday morning. So, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this project so you guys understand. Full wrap, taking the car completely apart on this Rivolto, which is very, very hard. There's a bunch of pieces. We stripped the car to its bones. There's nothing left on the car. We're wrapping everything now piece by piece outside. And then we're gonna start to assemble the car. We have these wheels that were different color. We are doing it black and beautiful. It looks crazy. You guys take a look at this. Exactly what the customer wants. Also, we're doing some nice white brake calipers, which is gonna be really, really nice. You guys will stay tuned and take a look at the calipers as well. So this car has to be done all in a matter of 2 full days, so 2.5 days. Full wrap, custom wheel paint, calipers, assemble the car, disassemble the car, assemble the car. Yeah, I can't even, I don't know, it's hard to believe, but it looks like it's gonna happen. All right, guys, here you have it. The Rivolto has been completed. This thing is wrapped in satin black wrap along with door jambs. We also did the wheels. The wheels were gold. We turned it into gloss black and machined finish. Looks amazing. Look at this thing, completely lowered, and it rides this way as well. We also did the brake calipers as well. You guys can see how nice that thing looks. It's satin pearl white, looks amazing. Yeah, man, this thing was amazing. We got it done. It's on the way to the client's house right now. Another insane build by RDB.